Let's say I can never get tired of this, cause it's my life. I'm just moving along, hoping for much needed advice. When you living life on chance, it's pretty tough to be precise. Fuck it, just put the price and advise a plan to get fans. They say 2 times are nothing, but we gotta sell tickets to fill these stands. If we don't, they'll just boot us off like a prisoner. We was dancing in the rain until they turned off the sprinklers. Now I'm behind bars and I got attorneys asking for my signature. They tell me and my dad have similar tendencies. If y'all think that's the case, then y'all ain't really listening to my similes. But these people still in my face like I'm an enemy. It's not my fault we administered the Hennessy. Simply put it in a cup and drank it up. This is a setback, not a rut. I'm part of a duet that can crush. Ambition is my fucking head rush. No matter what happens, I'll always have rapping. My pen ain't never turned its back on me. Actually, it's lighting the pain of reality. The lyrical world feels like a different galaxy. I don't spit, I tactfully lay out strategies. This is how I fill up concerts to capacity. I hope to God we don't have another casualty. On the heart, that's pure brutality. Whatever happened to chivalry and morality? I've lost the ability to casually have communication. It feels like my life has just become one big accusation. I thought I was gonna lose, so they thought I was after graduation. Sick of people taking my innovations and making it their own creation. Do you not understand what I'm saying? This was supposed to be the translation, but now y'all are acting like this is too much information. You know what? Just stay the fuck out of my business. This is my rehabilitation. I really don't need anyone to come visit. All this bullshit over a girl, and she was too shy to solicit. How the fuck can I miss it? Should I try again? Should I risk it? Should I really believe she became innocent? She promised me this time we'd be magnificent. Well, guess what? It ain't no different. I'm just hitting subliminal thoughts with non-criminal actions. I'm really not interested in finding out how much heat you packing. Just remember, some things happen by natural reaction. We never mean to, it's all an accident. No one ever means to be an activist. It's just at that moment, taking someone out seems adequate. 5 seconds later, you fall to your knees and become compassionate. Now do y'all see what happens when y'all play devil's advocate? Well, here we go, pills from the cabinet. Tangled in between joy and pain, feeling like you've been mangled and nothing will ever be the same. I guess I wasn't maintained, and the fucked up part is my dad isn't even ashamed. Maybe playing games is how he stays entertained. I'm talking about all the life lessons he didn't ingrain. Good riddance, I've just been retained. Hold up, this needs to be explained. I finally accepted the thoughts I have. I'm so glad I never have to look back, but just understand this is me learning from my past. My emotions are burning, someone get me an ice pack. Punchlines coming with a nice attack. How much do I lack? Coke. What's next? Crack? Myself is my gateway. I disregard your opinion. On the 8th day, the oranges become lemons. Sour is just the beginning. Confidence come with a price. How much are we spending? Intending to do great things. Lending my hand to whatever God brings. What's in store? Never enough. How much more? Talent just means potential can be absorbed. I'm off balance. It's essential for me to soar. My credentials are no longer important. Nope, not no more. Everything I release is to be adored. Just increase, make it simple and pure. My thoughts dwindle, trailing to the core. Unveiling innocence, it's magnificent, that's for sure. I'm drifting away, sifting through old photographs. Relax, my level head's still intact. Until nothing, this is where the fuck I'm at. You don't think I wanna adapt? Get back to the old me, fulfill my prophecy? What does this pen really have to offer me? When will my reflections stop bothering me? Stop hollering, B. Don't you see I'm intrigued? This notebook is essential, this is what I need. I'll die for this. How much you wanna see me bleed? Keep reading into my words, I'm breathing for verbs. Maybe I didn't have enough for her. It was rough, how tough, there was no cure. Maybe we should start over. Wait, you need my heart for closure? Why you doing this? Fuck it, it's all exposure. You ever feel like you've been ran over? Abandoned? Lost stranded? Taken for granted? God damn it, I can't stand it. My ass was handed to me, I deserved it. I should have had courage, maybe I would've flourished. Fuck it, fuck it, fuck it. I don't know if I let me do that again.